Hello G friends, hello everyone. It's Mommy Ryan. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be removing and removing these lucky bamboo. They said of course it's a lucky bamboo. These lucky bamboos from this pot to a clear glass.
Welcome to Life with a GeeFam.
As you can see, these three stalks here, three bamboos here, they needed to be separated because three of these are already dead. See, they're already dead, and it's already an eyesore for me, so we have to remove these ones and throw it away. And if you have seen my Lowe's plant haul or the succulent haul, it was part of the succulent haul. I got this one, so I'm also going to transfer this in the clear one because it's kind of really hard to see if these plants need to be watered again, so I'm going to transfer this. And we'll be needing a decorative stones or decorative accents. I got this from Dollar Tree. So let's get started, guys. So while I'm doing this, guys, I wanted to learn about bamboo facts. So this lucky bamboo is actually not a bamboo at all. This is a type of Dracaena. This is a Dracaena Sanderiana. This lucky bamboo can be grown hydroponically, which I am going to do right now. I'm transferring this to water or in soil. Lucky bamboo has deep roots in feng shui. So as ancient as we are, we believe that these lucky bamboos can promote good luck, good fortune, love, health, and growth. So here are the three bamboos, guys. This one, need to separate them. There. Then we're gonna wash this off with water. Wash the soil off with water. Let's just put that aside first. And then let's open this other one. Cute pot. Look, guys, it's like in a small pot. Get that. So we need to cut off this part. They keep it with a rubber band. They put this together, these three bamboos together with a rubber band. So we're just gonna have to Hello guys, so I'm back and we already separated them and we gave them a good shower, and then later on we're gonna remove these dead leaves. Yeah, we can do that later. So let's put this stones. So here it is, guys. We already transferred our bamboo to this clear jar or clear glass, and the next thing we're gonna do is to remove these dry leaves. There's more dry leaves here. So for the information of everybody, I got those bamboo plants, except for the small one because I just got that from Lowe's. I got these bamboo plants like more than 3 years ago, and I'm just so happy that it reached this far. There. Now it's so free. Bamboo plants don't need to be in a bright light. You can put them in a medium light or in a low light, but in a low light, not really that low light, because these bamboo plants, I put them in near the sink. It's kind of a low light, but there is an artificial light, and so far it is thriving there. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel and you enjoy and like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please do subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the bell for notifications. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. So stay safe, guys, and make good choices. Bye!